Symptoms of bad spark plugs? Bad or worn-out spark plugs can lead to various engine performance problems. Spark plugs play a crucial role in the combustion process by igniting the air-fuel mixture in the engine cylinders. When they're not functioning correctly, it can result in a range of symptoms. So, before starting the video, please like this video, do subscribe and turn on the notification to our channel for future updates. Here are common symptoms of bad spark plugs. Misfiring. One of the most noticeable symptoms of bad spark plugs is engine misfiring. Misfires occur when the spark plugs fail to ignite the air-fuel mixture in one or more cylinders. This can cause a noticeable sputtering or shaking sensation in the vehicle, especially during acceleration. Reduced engine power. Bad spark plugs can lead to a decrease in engine power. You may notice a lack of responsiveness when you press the accelerator, and the vehicle may struggle to accelerate or maintain speed. Rough idling. If the spark plugs are not firing properly, the engine may idle roughly. You might feel the vehicle vibrating or shaking while it's stationary or at low speeds. Difficulty starting. Worn spark plugs can make it harder for the engine to start. You may experience extended cranking times before the engine finally starts, or it may not start at all. Poor fuel efficiency. When spark plugs are in poor condition, they may not ignite the fuel-air mixture efficiently. This can lead to decreased fuel efficiency, as the engine may use more fuel to compensate for the inefficient combustion. Increased emissions. Bad spark plugs can result in incomplete combustion, which can lead to increased emissions of harmful pollutants, such as carbon monoxide, CO, and hydrocarbons, HC. Check engine light. A malfunctioning spark plug or spark plug-related issue can trigger the vehicle's onboard diagnostic system, causing the check engine light to illuminate. This will likely be accompanied by one or more trouble codes related to the ignition system or misfires. Poor acceleration. Worn spark plugs can affect the engine's ability to accelerate smoothly and quickly. You may notice a delay in power delivery when you step on the gas pedal. Engine knocking or pinging. In some cases, bad spark plugs can lead to engine knocking or pinging sounds. This occurs when the air-fuel mixture in the cylinder ignites prematurely or unevenly, causing audible noise. Lack of smoothness. A well-functioning engine should run smoothly and quietly. Bad spark plugs can disrupt this smoothness and lead to a noisier and less refined engine operation. Reduced performance. When spark plugs are not operating at their best, the overall performance of the vehicle can suffer. This includes acceleration, top speed, and overall driving experience. Excessive exhaust smoke. If spark plugs are not igniting the fuel-air mixture properly, you may notice an increase in exhaust smoke, which can be black, white, or blue, depending on the specific issue. It's important to note that these symptoms can also be caused by other issues, such as a faulty ignition coil, fuel system problems, or vacuum leaks. Therefore, diagnosing bad spark plugs should be done by a qualified mechanic who can perform diagnostic tests, inspect the spark plugs, and determine if they need replacement. Regular maintenance, including periodic spark plug replacement as recommended by the manufacturer, can help prevent these issues and ensure your engine runs smoothly and efficiently. What do you think of our video? Let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.